Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Westkiss hair, and they sent me this ready to wear wig, and when I tell you it's ready to wear, it's actually ready to wear. Okay guys, so this wig, it did come curled and it came pre-cut, so the lace was already cut off for me, so I didn't have to do that. The only thing that I had to do was pretty much bleach this wig and recurl the parts that actually came out after like washing it and all of that. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So this is the package that the wig came in. Obviously they sent me the wig, and this is their 180% density wig. It is 5x5 and it is 22 inches. So in the package they sent me some bonnet, their Westkiss headband. I didn't really need to use this, but if I'm going to my bed and I feel like wearing the wig to my bed, then this comes in clutch. Some stocking cap, some lashes, and the bag to put my wig in when I'm done wearing it. So that is what came inside the package. Let's just jump right into the installation of this wig. Okay guys, so I got this wig, and this wig is supposed to be a glueless ready to wear wig. It is HD lace, I think, but the main feature of this wig is the fact that it is ready to wear. So it comes pre-cut, as you can see, like the edges are jagged already, so it won't give that boxy effect. And all I did was I had to bleach the knots. It came curled and everything, but I had to bleach the knots because I was not wearing it without bleaching it. So I bleached the knots and ran my hot comb through the top. But honestly guys, there's not much to do to this wig than actually curling the part that came out when I washed it from bleaching it. So what I'm gonna do right now, well, I did go ahead and I add my foundation on the bottom, so now I'm just gonna pop this bad girl on my head. Okay, baby. Okay guys, so when companies say they're sending me ready to wear wigs, I don't normally believe them. I don't. But baby, it's giving. It's definitely giving. I have to pick out some of these.
Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. All summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my.
So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Westkiss here for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box like always. If I have a coupon code, it will be down as well. It will be down there as well, so do not forget to check that out. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.